Hi, are you ready to know more about our company? At the core of the RG-174 coaxial wire is a solid copper-clad steel conductor, which provides excellent conductivity and durability. It is capable of carrying high currents without overheating or degrading, ensuring a reliable and safe electrical system. With their easy-to-use design, they can be quickly and easily installed by hand, without the need for special tools or equipment. It's used for good flexibility and high-frequency performance in applications with operating frequencies between 10 kHz and 5 MHz. Click the link and visit our shop.